over here to take off as much into wind as we can.
So does that not class as a takeoff then, or is that the direction of the wind?
That's the direction of the wind.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So once you're actually up and off the ground, you can just...
I'm not sure. Might just latch my door.
Victor, 5 miles north of Cape Coast.
It looks latched. It's in the same position that mine is.
Yeah. Okay, that's fine.
28 left hand, it'll be 101.
So you're beginning to get London coming up there. We're climbing at 1,000 feet per minute, as you can probably see. We're heading in the direction of your house, Chris.
Yep.
Roger.
Quite interesting seeing what's actually behind my house.
Yeah.
I can see Jen.
Can you? Is she waving?
But she's standing out by the parasol looking. I'm not sure if she's waving. It's a bit too high here to see. And there's the vestry estate.
Yeah.
It's quite amazing how much we get buffeted a bit.
Yeah.
Considering there isn't much wind, it must get really bad when there is wind.
Yeah, but you're getting thermals and all sorts of things at the moment.
Oh, okay.
Is that just because of the heat?
Yes, exactly. Exactly that.
Chipstead Lake?
Chipstead, yeah.
Yeah. So we're coming along to the junction of the M25 here.
Oh, junction 5?
Yep.
Junction 5.
Yeah, there's the on-ramp, the M26.
And to our right, you've got Chevening House, with the home of the Prime Minister and Deputy Prime Minister and the Foreign Secretary live. So we're going to turn left. Checking to our left here. Anything coming up?
Nothing I can see, no.
Fine. And so we're going to turn north through this little mini valley here, which avoids us going over the trees either side of it, which, if we lost the engine, would be challenging.
Yeah.
So, safety-wise, we're over those open fields, and the wind direction is where I need to turn into, such as it is, which is sitting down there on that orange bug in that middle lower instrument.
Yep.
It's the compass. It's the electronic HSI compass, but it's a useful guide. I immediately know where the wind's coming from, such as it is, which isn't much.
So you have to turn into the wind all the time?
For a auto-rotation, engine off landing, you need as much help with the wind. You don't absolutely need it, but it would be good to have it.
Right.
Suffice to say. So we're going to begin a slow descent now.
That's quite an impressive place down there. Which one, with the maze or the...
Which one are you looking at?
Just down out on the left.
Oh yeah. Well, that's...
Is that Fairlawn?
That's Fairlawn Estate, yeah. And if you look to the left, you can see the Chaser pub.
So
If I just bring it round slightly to the left, you can look right over your left shoulder and see the Chaser.
Yeah. So all the rough... If you look at the fairways, they're quite green. Quite narrow.
So we've got some sort of track day or testing going on at Brands, as you can see. To your right.
Well, it really is in a depression, isn't it?
Yeah. Quite a bowl. Got a good view of it, Chris?
Yeah, brilliant. Thank you.
Watch out for Palmer.
We'll do a gradual, quite. We'll do a gradual. Is he there? You can see. No, he's not there at the moment. He's not parked either either near the Bowser or near the offices. Looking to our left, any traffic? No.
Okay. Yeah.
So at this point, are you effectively starting your descent?
I am. We're actually descending.
Yeah.
500 feet per minute. Top left-hand instrument is the rate of the descent.
Yeah.
I don't want to come down too quickly because we've got a ridge to cross over here. And you should get another decent look at your house, Chris, on the right there, as we come over Kemsing. Well, to the left of Kemsing, obviously, east of Kemsing.
Should be a little bit lower this time by the looks of it. Mind you, I suppose we're on top of the ridge, aren't we? So by the time we clear the ridge, we won't be...
That's right. We're coming down through 1,300 feet. We're now beneath that, the top of that aerial.
Yep.
Is that the thermals?
Combination of thermals and wind.
Okay.
And the wind is sort of, it's not there and then it gusts. You can see from the smoke there to our right.
Yeah.
Bit bouncy, sorry about that, chaps.
That's great.
Yeah, it's all right.
Positioning of this cycling is interesting given the weight on the. Okay. Let's move a bit further up.
Oh, that was great.
Yeah, amazing. Thank you for that. Brilliant.
Yeah, interesting for me. I've not flown with this much, how can I put it,
Wait.
ballast in a polite way. Characteristics are different, you have to adapt, you know, it's interesting.